welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jordan. I hope that you consider subscribing down below and become part of the JustJordy fam. I post tons of different types of videos on here: college lifestyle, girl boss, dance, fitness, beauty, you name it, I post it. So yeah, today's video is going to be a natural glam beat makeup tutorial. The last time I posted a makeup tutorial was like 5 ever ago, so I decided to go ahead and film one. This is just going to be my winter routine, how I stay nice and glowy during this cold, dry winter weather. It's just going to be like a natural glam. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and we can just hop into the video. So first I'm just going to tie my hair back in the scrunchie so it does not get in my way. Then I'm going to take this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. So it's the orange spray. I saw this at Ulta, and so this is basically just supposed to hydrate and refresh with uplifting mist from sage and orange blossom essential water. And so it just makes everything a little bit more misty and dewy. So just spray that on the face and then fan it. Okay, now once our spray is dry, we're going to go ahead and prime with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love this primer, guys. It's really moisturizing and super lightweight as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do eyebrows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. I haven't been doing much to my brows lately, so I'm just going to do something super quick. If I'm going to be looking over here, it's because I'm looking in my mirror, so can't do brows without a mirror. Now we're just going to go ahead and clean up the brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the color Warm Honey. Okay, now we're going to go in with foundation. So I've really been loving this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick foundation. Okay, and now we're going to blend that in with this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I really like this for blending out my foundation. Okay, now we're going to go in with some Tarte concealers, but not the Shape Tape. I discovered these over the break. They are the creaseless concealer, and I feel like these exactly do what the title suggests. They are creaseless. Sometimes with the Shape Tape or Shape Tape, whatever, I get some creasing. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and some of this Morphe setting spray. I'm just going to spray the butt end of it just so it's like extra wet, and then we're going to blend all the concealer out. Boom, that's that. Now we're going to contour, and I use the same product, the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. This one I actually lost the cap to, but this is what the color looks like. It's pretty dark. Great. Okay, so now I'm looking real nice, real glowy. So we're going to go ahead and go in with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set everything in place so it's not slipping and sliding all throughout the day. I'm using my sponge to do that. So when it comes to Laura, we pack it on. Especially in these laugh lines, we don't want creasing. So a trick that I got from Jackie Aina, you put your tongue in your laugh line like that and put powder. Okay, so now that I'm looking real ghostly, we're going to go in with some powder contour. So I've been using this from Black Radiance. It's their pressed powder. This is in the color Black Coffee, and it's literally the perfect color for my contour. I actually got this from Walmart. I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. I don't do this. Sometimes I just skip this step, but today I'm feeling a little, you know, a little rosy cheeks. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of blush. Oh, I'm using the Black Radiance blush in the color Raspberry. So super cute, super pretty. For highlight, so I found this highlight at Ulta. It's Juvia's Place. I didn't even know Ulta was selling Juvia's Place, but this is their the Nubian by Juvia's loose highlighter in the color Nefertiti. So it is loose. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you, but look how beautiful that is. So pigmented. Love really goes a long way. So much that I literally just used the cap. So just put a little bit on my brush. Using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So it's just going to, I found this at Ulta as well, by the way. Okay, so last thing for this makeup look, I'm not going to do any eyeshadow or anything like that because I don't wear eyeshadow on a normal basis. It's just too much for me. So I'm just going to put on some liquid liner. This is the Milani State Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. I'm just going to do a thin little line, no wing or anything because, child, I'm not good at that. So, and I'm also not going to put this part on camera because it's going to take a while. Okay, liner is on. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes from Ardell. They're just cheap lashes. But I really like them for a natural look. I'm also going to apply these off camera because, girl, not good at this part either. It's going to take a while. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just went, got my lashes on, did my hair, some jewelry on, and the lipstick I have on is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's the color True Brown K. So that is all for this look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to be a part of the Just Jordy fam. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.